This video examines the transformation of India's defense sector between 2014 and 2026. We will explore how a decade of reforms, increased investments, and a drive for self-reliance has enhanced India's capability, capacity, and credibility on the global stage. Sweeping policy reforms, such as the Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 and the Defense Production Manual 2025, have fundamentally transformed the landscape. Driven by the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives, the national defense budget has seen significant growth, rising from 2.53 lakh crore in 2013-14 to a projected 7.85 lakh crore by 2026-27. To drive indigenous deep tech capabilities, the sector has benefited from increased R&D funding and dedicated innovation schemes. Notable examples include the IDEX scheme, the ADITI scheme, and the TDF fund, all aimed at fostering technological advancement within India's defense ecosystem. India is transitioning from a defense importer to a robust domestic manufacturer. By restructuring the Ordnance Factory Board into 7 new DPSUs, establishing specialized defense industrial corridors in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and expanding manufacturing, the country is significantly reducing its import dependence. Strategic global partnerships and rising exports are further cementing India's role as a credible power. With exports projected to reach over 38,000 crores, India is engaging through the ICET framework with the US, technology sharing with Russia and France, and expanded multilateral ties with entities like the EU, the Quad, and ASEAN. Ultimately, a decade of reform has built a strong foundation for a future-ready defense ecosystem. By integrating the youth through initiatives like the Agnipath scheme and maintaining a focus on indigenous manufacturing, India is working toward its Vision 2047 objectives of absolute self-reliance and enhanced national security.